Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about one of the most underrated statement pieces you can put on a wall: wooden clocks. A wooden wall clock isn't just about telling time, it is about texture, warmth, and personality. Whether you are into sleek modern decor, rustic farmhouse vibes, or quirky handmade designs, wood offers endless ways to make a clock that doubles as art. Let's explore some creative wooden wall clock ideas that can transform any room. Before we dive into specific designs, here's why wood is such a game changer. Timeless appeal. Grain patterns and natural tones bring warmth to minimalist or industrial spaces. Customizable. From carving to staining, wood is easy to shape, paint, or leave raw. Eco-friendly. Reclaimed or salvaged wood reduces waste and adds unique character. DIY friendly. Even simple tools can produce striking results. Wood turns a purely functional object into a piece of living decor. If you love clean lines, these ideas will fit right in. Number 1. Floating disc clock. A single round slab of oak or walnut with hidden mechanisms for a sleek floating effect. Sanded smooth and finish with clear varnish for a gallery-like look. Number 2. Negative space numbers. Cut or laser etch numbers out of square wood panels so the wall color peeks through. Great for monochrome interiors. Number 3. Striped wood inlay. Alternate light and dark wood strips to create subtle geometric patterns and thin metal hands for a sophisticated look and Scandinavian vibe. Number 4. Edge-lit minimalist clock. Mount LED strips behind a thin wooden face to create a soft halo glow at night. Prefer something more history and character? Try this. Number 1. Pallet wood clock. Arrange reclaimed pallet wooden boards into a large circle or square, each plank with its own patina. Oversized metal numbers complete the farmhouse aesthetic. Number 2. Live edge slat clock. Use a raw natural edged slice of maple or acacia, leaving bark intact for a stunning organic piece. Number 3. Barn beam cross section. Take a thick cross-cut of an old beam, preserve the cracks, and install extra long hands for a bold statement. Number 4. Rustic rope detail. Frame the clock face with rope or jute for a coastal cabin vibe. For those who seek clocks as art. Number 1. Carved mandala clock. Hand carve or laser cut intricate mandala patterns into a wooden disc, then highlight with metallic paint. Number 2. Layered 3D clock. Stack multiple wooden rings or panels in different stains to create depth and shadow play. Number 3. Abstract geometric clock. Use triangular or hexagonal blocks arranged in a mosaic. Let the clock hand sweep across the panel for kinetic art. Number 4. Split face clock. Divide the face into contrasting halves. Light maple on one side, dark walnut on the other for a bold yin and yang effect. Why stop at just telling time? You can build a shallow wooden box with a clock face on the front and hidden cubbies for keys or plants, or combine a chalkboard or corkboard background with a wooden clock insert for notes and reminders. You can also carve a circular recess to hold a small succulent. Time meets greenery. Use thick wood with acoustic foam backing to absorb echoes and minimalist room for sound dampening clock. These designs merge function with flair. Wood doesn't have to be serious. Add personality with puzzle piece clocks, animal silhouettes, oversized number clocks, color blocked stains. If you're making or customizing a clock yourself, keep these tips in mind. Wood choice. Hardwoods like oak, walnut, or maple resist warping. Silent quartz moments are worth the extra cost for bedrooms. Natural oil for a warm matte look or glossy polyurethane for shine. Metal, acrylic, or even painted wood can create striking contrast. Use a strong anchor. Wood clocks can be heavier than expected. And that wraps up our tour of creative wooden bowl clock ideas. From sleek floating discs to rustic barnwood slabs, artistic carvings, and playful statement pieces. Which design would you hang in your own home? Drop your favorite in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, with the right wooden clock, time itself becomes an art. So until next time, happy decorating!